Biodiversity Research and Monitoring Program takes into account the role it plays in understanding the value of the natural resources within these protected areas and integrating science-based decision-making for adaptive management. The Biodiversity Research and Monitoring Program has two components, terrestrial and marine. The marine component, the work is focused within the Moon Caye and Blue Hole natural monuments within the Lighthouse Reef Atoll. The data gathering that we do specifically provides us with information on important commercial species, species of national concern, as well as overall ecosystem health. This then results in information that we share with our key stakeholders, which benefits them, as well as benefit the environment which we're trying to protect.
One of the reasons why we have protected areas is to ensure the success of these ecosystems and that we're using them sustainably. I think it's pretty clear to fishers, they're in the water, they can see that there is a decline in certain species. That's important to them. And I think by pairing that with the data that we collect, by generating graphs, by having a visual that they can see, it just confirms what they guess might be happening and what we know is actually happening.
Long-term monitoring is primarily focused on the management effectiveness of the Lighthouse Reef Atoll, and so it is necessary for us to do repeated empirical measurements and analyzing the data from those monitoring efforts to be able to have sound decision-making for effective management.
It's very important that we get this information that we collect back to the stakeholders. For example, when you're looking at the fishers, this is their livelihood. This is what they depend on. So by relaying this information to them, we can help them to develop sustainable practices. When you're looking at younger children, the ones in school that may someday plan to fish, for example, at the atoll, we need them to understand this is what's happening and these are best practices that you need to adopt to be able to have this in the future.